In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails as attachments in Gmail. This is a handy feature that can make your email exchanges far more efficient, especially when you want to share complete threads without breaking the context. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once there, enter your login credentials if you're not already logged in. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the familiar Gmail interface, ready to embark on this simple yet powerful task. Next, let's head over to the Compose section. Look to the left-hand sidebar of your inbox for the Compose button, and give it a click. This will open a fresh email draft in a new window where you can start building your message. Now, up to this point, everything would feel quite routine, just like any other email setup you've done before. But here comes the interesting bit. You need to locate the specific email or conversation thread you wish to send as an attachment. Navigate your inbox until you find the email you're interested in sharing. Once you've found the right one, make sure it's selected or highlighted. This step is essential because we are now at the heart of the operation. Here's the key move: click and hold your mouse over the email, then drag it straight into the Compose window you opened earlier. As you do this, you'll see the email appearing as an attachment in your new message draft. It's as straightforward as dragging and dropping a file on your computer, and it opens up a whole new level of usability within Gmail. Once your email is successfully attached, it's time to polish off the rest of your message. Enter the recipient's email address into the To field. Don't forget to add a subject line that describes the content well. Also, take this chance to write any accompanying message in the body. Offering context or a brief summary as to why you're forwarding this particular email can be incredibly helpful for the recipient, setting clear expectations on what they are about to open. Before you hit send, do a quick review. Check for any spelling mistakes or typos, confirm the recipient's details are accurate, and make sure your email is effectively attached just as you intended. It's a simple check that ensures your message gets delivered perfectly. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click that send button. And just like that, you've successfully sent an email as an attachment through Gmail. This feature is particularly useful for sharing entire email conversations or specific messages without the hassle of forwarding them individually. It helps maintain the original format and streamlines communication, making your exchanges clearer and more efficient. Use this method both for fresh emails and replies, and with a little practice, you'll have it down to a fine art.